Hi, so in this video, I'm going to teach 3 to 4 adjectives. So this is a book published in Hong Kong. It's called Fun with Cantonese Adjectives. So it's mainly on adjectives. No, it's entirely on adjectives. So it consists of 70 adjectives, like not difficult adjectives, like common, those that you must learn. So this one we start with is Taam. Taam is only to express something is not concentrated enough. It mostly about drink or food. The taste is not strong enough. The drink is not concentrated enough. Or it can also means relationship, like you and I we don't see each other that much, and our relationship is getting less strong. Okay, so but that one is, we don't use it that much, but it's still quite useful. This one, so it will be like with a dialogue. So I pretend. Okay, so that's the little kid. 杯豆漿咁淡嘅，杯豆漿咁淡嘅，杯豆漿咁淡嘅，淡，好淡。杯豆漿咁淡嘅，杯豆漿好淡。Okay, then mother said, 咁加啲糖咯，咁加啲糖咯。So add some sugar， 加啲糖，加啲糖，咁 then 咁加啲糖咯。Okay, so you can see it like this. I'll point to the English, and I will speak as Cantonese. 杯豆漿咁淡，杯豆漿咁淡。So the word order, this one is straightforward. It's the same, like subject and then adjective. Oh, so in this case we don't have a verb actually. So this is just a subject and adjective. And in English, you need to use a verb to connect them. Right, that's the different. Okay, like 個女仔咁靚嘅. And then you have to say that girl is. You need to add a is. So that pretty. 係啦。杯豆漿咁淡嘅. So in this case, you know the different with the structure. And then this one, add some sugar then. Add some sugar then. So straightforward. But we put the then in the beginning. Oh, it's also English speaking people also can do that, right? Then add some sugar. Oh, let's see the expressions of Taam. Alright, so the final part, you have some extra description below. Maybe you can read it by yourself. Alright, so let's see the sample sentence. 啲餸淡茂唔夠味. Okay, I'll go through all of them at once. 你覺得啲湯係咪好淡啊？味道一啲都唔淡喎。舊蛋糕淡淡地，不過好好食。Okay, so all these 4 sentences, they are all about food. Alright? And it has some a word with 3 characters. For example, 淡茂茂，淡茂茂，淡淡地，好好味。 Alright? This is just to express more feeling. So you can use just the one word 淡 and then you say 淡淡地 is like a little bit extra meaning. Like, oh, it's a little bit not concentrated enough. It's very mild, just a little bit mild. Like 淡淡地, when you have the word 地 is just a little bit. And then, so this one is, the cake is a little bit mild, too mild, not strong enough. Like, for example, maybe put too little eggs, so you only have a very simple flavor. You didn't add too much sugar. 好，呢個呢就係啲餸淡茂茂。Some people would say 淡妙妙 or 淡茂茂。I think 淡茂茂 is better. 啲餸淡茂茂，唔夠味。係啦，咁就唔夠 not enough 味 flavor and then 你覺得啲湯 you see they use 啲 so it's like it's kind of like these dish, but they didn't point out which one, right? So if you point out, okay, 呢啲餸, so it definitely these dishes or that. But in this case, if you start with a D, then it's like it's not in particular point to, but it's in general. So this one is like, do you think the soup 係咪好淡？係咪 is short form is 係唔係? Like, is that? Do you think that the soup is? Do you agree that? 你覺得 like actually you don't have to put 我覺得. You can say 啲湯係咪好淡啊? So like, is that the soup is very mild? Though some people will love to add more like, do you think? Then this one 味道一啲都唔淡喎，味道一啲都唔淡 not at all 一啲都唔 is not at all 唔淡喎 okay so in terms of sentence structure, this one is not very difficult. 舊蛋糕淡淡地，不過好味，係啦，好味。